Hello everyone, this is my review of this tire inflator portable air compressor. It comes with a nice case that you can carry all the components around with it. It has a number of accessories so you can plug it into your car. You can recharge it because it's rechargeable. You can charge it with a USB-C power cable, and it comes with adapters as well. And it also comes with another case inside of it, a velvet case that you can put your components into as well. You just turn it on by holding down the button for about 3 seconds, and you can go through different settings where you can have it automatically set to a car, to motorcycle, to a bike, and to, say, inflating a basketball or a ball. And you can change the unit of measurements if you prefer using it different than PSI. You can adjust the level that you want to automatically shut off. So you can raise it up or raise it down, and it will automatically shut off once the PSI gets to that level. It also has a built-in LED light on the top of the compressor that you can turn on, and it has different modes. So you can have it in steady, flashing, hazards, distress. So that's a cool feature. Once I hook it up to the tire, it will automatically show you the air pressure that's in the tire on the top. And once you turn the pump on, it will automatically fill the tire to your preset PSI that's on the bottom, and then it will automatically shut off. I was able to do all 4 tires on a single charge and some other tires on my bikes, and it still had plenty of charge left over. So this is a pretty good product, and I hope this review helps.